Coke Time Tambayan. Tsaka, alam mo, ang dami kong mamimiss na fun memories dito.
And not just that, every week super rewarding talaga and very refreshing talaga ng break time natin with Coca-Cola! Yes! Kaya naman, Breakada, from the bottom of our hearts, maraming salamat sa mga nakitambay with us!
And to make our FOMO finale extra special, nagbabalik!
Kapuso second big placer and Kapuso big winner! Heat and Caprice! What's up?
Hi! Welcome
Hi, guys.
back, Heat and Caprice!
Thank you guys. Hello, Bricados. We're so happy to be back.
Welcome back, Kambal!
Ay, come on.
Ang saya-saya ng reunion natin and alam nyo kung anong deserve nito? Dance Party!
That real refreshing taste around. The greatest feeling you'll have found. It's Go feel the magic all
Kaya kami bumalik kasi na FOMO din kami. Ang saya. Thank you.
Ang saya namin na nandito kayo ulit.
Alam po kasi namin kung gaano kasaya po dito sa Coke Time Tambayan po eh.
And we are so happy to have you guys back. In fact, this winning moment deserves, alam niyo na to, Heat and Caprice, a Breakada cheers! Cheers! Guys, cheers!
Woo! Deserve!
Mo yun, no? Yummy!
At ito na ang mga breakadas natin na magse-celebrate ng kanilang big win! Congratulations to the lucky winners! Breakada!
Tingin sa screen!
Congratulations to our Coke Time Panalo winners of a brand new smartphone!
Hindi na FOMO.
Hindi na FOMO, JOMO na. Totoo yan. Alam mo, yan ang literal na JOMO. The joy of missing out. At sa ating mga student breakadas, iba talaga yung vibe pag in-explore mo yung joy of missing out, eh, di ba?
Yes. It's time for a campus check, kaya student correspondent, where are you at?
Time check! 4:30 na, break time na, Coke time ka muna. Yo, it's your boy Josh, your campus breakada, and we're here to go around different universities to find the perfect tambay spot and of course, makichika sa inyong lahat. Right now, we're here in Katipunan to look for students and ask them kung ano nga ba ang nagpapa-FOMO or JOMO sa kanila. I found my new ka-breakadas. Are you more of an introvert or an extrovert?
Medyo po introvert, but once in a blue moon, may extrovert energy.
Might say I'm more introverted, pero malakas ang boses.
Paano yung malakas ang boses?
Sometimes I'm an introvert and sometimes I'm very extroverted. Kapag nag-iisa and wala yung mga kaibigan ko. And kapag like kailangan ko ng me time for myself, nagiging extroverted naman ako kapag syempre kasama natin yung friends.
Now I'm leading to becoming more of an extrovert, especially in college.
G, ba kayo maglaro tayo ng game?
Anong ganyan?
Okay, so ang mechanics ng game na to is we're gonna go to a place. Kunwari, pupunta tayo sa blank, magdadala ako ng electric fan. So dapat kayo rin, magdadala kayo syempre ng gamit. Hindi naman pwedeng ako lang. Pero yung gamit na kailangan yung dalhin, naka-base doon kung pwede kayong sumama or hindi. Pupunta tayo sa favorite nating ihawan. Magdadala ako ng kutsara.
Magdadala ako ng wipe siguro?
Di baka ma-FOMO tayo dyan.
Pera,
Microwave.
wallet, okra, at saka kotse.
Makakasama ka.
Tinidor.
Friends.
Candy, barbecue sticks,
Tubig?
electric fan.
Electric na kotse.
Elepante! Oh my goodness! At dahil dyan, makakapunta na tayo sa ihawan. Tara na guys. Appear tayo dyan. Built different ang mga taga-Katipunan. So kanina, when you guys had a hard time guessing the objects, na-FOMO ba kayo?
Actually, medyo. Kasi parang nahirapan kami. Tapos di pa kami pwede magtulungan.
Pero still, we made it through.
Hindi, Jomo. Parang ayaw nyo lang akong i-invite eh. Pag ayaw nyo, diwag.
Are you guys more of the type na ma-FOMO or ma-JOMO sa mga bagay-bagay?
Nadyo-jomo ako minsan. Parang pagpagod ako pero inaaya ako. Pero minsan nafo-FOMO ako pag nagkwekwentuhan tas hindi ko nagigets yung mga sinasabi.
Siguro FOMO person ako. Mga grand pakain na hindi ako nakaka-attend.
More on FOMO. Kasi especially after a night out, di ka nakasama, then you're gonna see the stories the next day. Then you'll see na parang nag-enjoy naman sila tapos wala ka din, di ba?
I feel FOMO din most of the time. Pero sometimes din, I have the mindset naman na I have my own time for myself din. Or like my friends, and they can have their own time. So, 50-50 din.
Ayan, so we also have some dumpling bags. Para naman, di ba, kung saan man kayo pumunta, you can bring your favorite stuff with you. So, tignan natin kung kasya ba dyan yung elepante na dadalhin natin. And congratulations, guys! Alright, guys, so I have one last request. So, when I say pag 4:30 na, sabihin nyo, Coke time ka muna. Okay? I want you to say it as loud as possible. Pag 4:30 na, Coke time ka muna! Alright, that's a wrap for today's Campus Check. This has been your boy Josh, your Campus Breakada. And lagi niyong tandaan, kahit saan pa man kayo tumambay, kahit ano pang trip nyo, basta pag 4:30 na, Coke time ka muna.
Kayo, Heath and Caprice, meron ba kayong moments na mas na-appreciate niyo yung joy of missing out?
Yes po, of course. Iba rin po kasi talaga yung you have to take time for yourself to relax or to chill.
I agree. Kahit na I love spending time with my friends, family, iba pa rin talaga kapag parang may me time ka eh.
Yes,
Iba yun eh.
totoo. Iba rin talaga.
Kaya kung may joy of missing out, meron ding joy of winning. Dahil
Super giving talaga ang finale episode natin. At ito na nga ang mga nanalo ng brand new TV and brand new Suzuki Jimny!
get ready, Breakada!
Tingin sa
screen!
Ina Vergara, Jeremy Solmeo. Welcome to your winning era. Congratulations to our Coke Time Panalo winners of a brand new Samsung TV. And now, Brekada, it's time for the ultimate prize. Joshua Gitocos. Congratulations to our Coke Time Panalo winner of a brand new Suzuki Jimny.
Congratulations to all our winners!
A big congratulations sa ating mga Breakada na nanalo ng minor at major prizes!
Thank you, Breakadas! And of course, big congrats to you, Heath and Caprice.
Thank you po.
Deserve na deserve yung mga nangyaring blessings and opportunities sa inyo.
Oh, thank you guys. Pero of course, wala naman po kaming lahat dito kung wala ang aming mga amazing na fans. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyong mga suporta.
Opo. Thank you po talaga sa mga fans po namin dahil we see your efforts po and we see everything that you do for us po and we're really so thankful po para sa inyo.
Sino ang laging nag-aaya? Yung sabing, tara guys, tambay tayo, kiss tayo.
Oy! Nangungulit. Lagi akong nag-iaya na mag-dinner kaming lahat. Kung pwede, kung may mga free, yun, magdi-dinner kami. Bond lang, kahit saglit.
So, ikaw ang nag-aaya, so ikaw ang laging taya. Pero sumasali ba kayo dito dahil nafo-FOMO kayo or whatever? Ikaw, Heath?
Ayun, sumasali rin po ako dahil gusto ko rin po mag-bonding with other housemates kasi ayun nga, busy-busy rin po kami. So, it's nice to hang out with one another po again.
True. Diba? Hindi lang dahil sa FOMO. Gusto talaga din nila
Yes,
sumama.
isang malaking check!
Correct, ganyan. Pero may mga moments din ba kayo na feel nyo, ay okay lang ma-miss out ko to kasi I need my alone time. Ganun.
Yes. Pero hindi naman siguro alone time. For family time naman. Na okay lang na ma-miss out ko muna for family time.
Family
Kanila.
person talaga si Caprice. I love that.
I love that.
Ako naman din po, ganun din po. Siyempre po with family. Pero minsan, it's okay din po to miss out on some stuff kasi sometimes it's overwhelming din po. Ang dami nangyayari, ang dami nagaganap.
Yeah.
Especially kakalabas lang din po namin.
Yeah.
So, ayun, sometimes din po, I'm alone. Or like, it's okay for me to stay at home lang.
Yeah.
Kumbaga yun yung ano nila, solo time is their break time.
Correct!
Yeah.
At lumalabas yung joy talaga lang nila.
Yes.
And walang hindi siya out of fear, out of joy.
Yes,
Diba?
correct. Pero ito, last na. Ano yung aabangan sa inyo ng inyong mga
Ayan.
fans? We're so excited!
Siyempre marami and sobrang excited kami for all the projects na we're working on. Kaya abangan!
Definitely! Ayun po talaga yung dapat abangan po ng mga fans namin po. See you guys there.
I love it! I-manifest na natin agad yan. At sa mga nag-manifest at nanalo ng ating minor and major prizes, let's celebrate your wins with a big Cook Time!
Cheers! Cheers, guys!
Go!
To the weekend! Cheers!
Yes! Lahat tayo, deserve natin to.
Maraming salamat, Breakada, for hanging out with us these past weeks. Mamimiss namin kayo from our chill sessions, fun games, to laugh trip moments.
Oh, minsan talaga yung mga simpleng moments like break time with friends, yun yung pinaka-solid di ba? At syempre, mas rewarding at refreshing yan with
Coca-Cola!
And remember, Breakada, we all need to hit pause. Dahil hindi lahat kailangang habulin, lahat ng ganap, at kung pagod ka, okay lang magpahinga, hindi ka tamad. Break mo to, deserve mo to!
Dahil pag 4:30 na,
It's Coke Time!
Coke Time!